Thanks for joining us in this edition of Renovation Time. Today we're going to talk about accessories in a bathroom, and there's some great unique products on the market now, and we just wanted to show you sort of what's out there. So first we'll start with just the regular squeegee. Before everybody just had a standard squeegee, but now because we're all getting much lazier, you can get an extension squeegee. So if you're cleaning your glass or your tile, you don't have to bend down. Basically you just reach down and pull it up, obviously, but it again, just a cool little thing. Second one is the toilet bowl cleaner. So originally everybody has the white bristles where basically you take it and it gets dirty over time, you put it back in that little bowl, and sometimes that water doesn't look very good. This is a really cool idea. So this is basically rubber, and it's rippled, so it actually cleans the toilet bowl very well, and it actually offers a little bit of friction. And what a lot of people do too is they'll just put a little Mr. Clean in the bottom of this part here, so when you stick it in, it actually keeps it clean. But again, just a cool little feature. I think works actually very well, and almost better than the Bristol one as well. So just another really cool, unique item for people to look at. This one here is, again, pretty funny in my opinion. It's a holder for your telephone. So before, people used to read the newspaper when they're in the washroom, but now what do? They're on their phones, obviously. So, you know, they're selling. They said that these are actually in high demand. You got toilet paper here, obviously, and another roll here, but you just put your telephone there, so you don't have to worry about putting it somewhere else and losing it. Kind of different. Maybe eventually in 2 or 3 years everybody will accept it, that everybody goes to the washroom on their phone, but just something different at this point. Toilet paper holders, again, just trendy. These are just to hold your toilet paper. Towel bars here, which are quite nice, just a little bit more unique. You can see the style of them. And the other thing too, people don't do as much anymore, is actually have a fixed toilet paper holder that's actually on the wall. Typically what they do now is just go with a freestanding toilet paper holder. There's lots of room in most bathrooms now, so it seems to be something we do more and more of. And then lastly, I know I have to go, but just toilet or towel holders, heated towel holders or towel bars, great idea. A lot of people will put these in their bedroom. So after they're done showering, they go into their bedroom, they put their towel in. It's a plug-in, so it's easy to plug in. You leave it on, get up in the morning, grab your dry towel, and head to the shower. So some pretty cool items. Some of them are unique, some of them are interesting, but I think Chris did a pretty good job picking some out.
Renovation Time is brought to you by Andon Kitchen and Bath Center. Visit their showroom at 1985 Lansdowne Street West, just west of Braley Drive.